Hi guys, welcome to this session of Microsoft Excel tutorials. Today we will talk about pivot table, which is the very widely used feature of Microsoft Excel. Uh, what pivot table gives you is the ability to organize and get data as you require. So when you're having a large set of data, you want to have ability to view exactly what you want and when you want. And pivot table gives a very good facility of doing that. So instead of talking much, I'll go exactly immediately on how to do it. Suppose this is a table. Now this table has got some kind of stock inventory data where you have items, price, quantity, GST, stock take date, stock, category, quantity sold, and sale amount. So we will select this data, go to insert, go to pivot table, and Excel has guessed what exactly I want to do, and they have defined the table and table range. You can create the pivot table either in the new worksheet or in the existing worksheet. I always prefer to have a new worksheet where it becomes a bit neater. So I leave it to the new worksheet and say OK. So it has created a new worksheet where at the left you can see there is a blank pivot table. In the right hand side we have got all the subheadings of your table, and in the right hand in the bottom it has got some area where it has given certain uh, arguments based on which you can decide how you want to organize your table. So anyway, first I'll move myself to the right top corner so that it doesn't come on the way. Now we have got report filter, column labels, row labels, and values. So you can keep dragging and selecting these headings and see what exactly you want. How do you want to organize your data? I will just give you initially some idea. Say, for example, say sale amount. If I select sale amount, it has gone into values, and here it is showing you the total sale amount, and which is this. Now, if I select, say, category. Now, category has gone into row labels, and if you see here, it is showing the total of the total sale amount, and above that it has given in the rows various categories sale amount. So cosmetics this much, medicines this much. Now we can add quantity sold as well. If you add quantity sold, you can see it has created a new column, and where it has given you the quantity, total quantity sold for each category. Okay, maybe we can add items as well. So if I select item, now you can see under each category it has shown us the items of that category along with the total amount sold and total quantity sold. Another way we can do is we can drag this category from here to the report filter. Now you can see it has given all the items under this in each row along with their total sale amount and total quantity sold. On the top, it has given us category which we can select and say select multiple and then say, okay, I need only oral care and cosmetics. So it has removed other categories and given you the details of the product under those two selected categories. So there's so many ways of doing it. You can keep on playing around these four arguments that it is showing: report filter, column labels, values, and row labels, and see what kind of data you are looking for. There's so many ways of doing it, but it all depends what suits you best. So, guys, play around with this and see how useful it is, what the concept of pivot table is. And this is one of the most widely used feature of Excel. So I stop it here. If you have got any questions, leave it in the comment section and I'll try to come back to you as soon as possible with the right answers. Thank you.